Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Sanford Khan here. Welcome to lesson number 14 in Rogue Economics. The title of this lesson, Who is King and Who is Queen in Our Turbulent and Chaotic Business Economy? I have a little chart here, or drawing. Let me put it up here. I got to remember that everything's the opposite when I'm looking at the camera from what I'm used to. Who is king and who is queen in our turbulent business economy? Liquidity is king and boldness is queen. I'll repeat. Liquidity is king and boldness is queen. Let me explain this, why it's this way, king, queen. The great Roman emperor Marcus Aurelius said, the only truth in the universe is action. As emperors go, Marcus Aurelius was a lot better than the previous Roman emperors, which I guess means he didn't throw as many people to the lions as some of the others. A little humor here, okay? So the only truth in the universe is action. Action is everything. I think there's a saying, do it. Just do it. That's action. So action is important. You got to take action. Not just thinking about what you want to do and having good thoughts, but it all comes down to action. Fine. Action is boldness. By definition, action is boldness. But if you don't have the liquidity, or as I say in my writings, the wherewithal, the stuff, the liquidity, you could be bold as anybody on the planet, but you don't have the stuff to put it in action. You don't have it. Even if you hire people who are also bold and aggressive, bold also means aggressive, innovative, and you don't have the wherewithal, the stuff, the liquidity, well then how do you put it into action? So liquidity has to be king. And to expound a little bit further, what do I mean by liquidity? In business it means free cash flow. That's what it means, free cash flow. That's income from operations minus capital expenditures. That's the definition of free cash flow. So you need the liquidity, the cash flow, to put your actions into place, to have them go and hopefully produce a larger market share for you. Look, you don't have to be the smartest entrepreneur in the world. Even if you're not that smart, but you recognize you're not that smart, you could hire people. That's what happens. If you have the liquidity and you don't think you're bold enough, you could hire the right people. If you don't have the liquidity, how do you hire the right people? You can't. Anyways, I don't want to speak too long. I really encourage you. This is a book that I recently had published. Let me see if I get it straight here. On Amazon in both ebook and also in paperback. It's called I'll straighten it up. A Rogue Meister's Guide to Free Thinking. A Rogue Meister's Guide to Free Thinking. I think you could see it plainly there. Just go to Amazon and you can type in the title. Should pop up. It's either in ebook or paperback. I strongly encourage you to get it. If you want to be a free thinker and break from the herd, this book is designed for you. If you want to go along with the masses, then this book is not for you. Anyways, I spoke long enough. Appreciate you could pass this video on to other people. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that button down below. I'd appreciate it very much. Until I see you again, probably next week, prosper and be well. Take care, my friends.